Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. In today's time, you won't get anything for a rupee, then how come a submarine? Shocking, isn't it? But it's true. In today's video, we're talking about a very interesting and at the same time very important submarine offer by Russia to India. But before we talk about this deal, let's first try to understand why Indian Navy needs submarines desperately. As you already know, India's only nuclear attack submarine, INS Chakra, has been returned to Russia this year. Indian Navy has lost its fleet of conventional submarines over the period. The Navy has acquired 10 kilo class submarine SSK from Soviet Union and Russia between 1986 and 2000. This number has reduced to 7 as Navy lost one in an accident in 2013. A second unit was transferred to Myanmar Navy last year as a goodwill gesture, and third unit laid up for decommissioning this year. Ministry of Defense has already approved building 6 advanced AIP based conventional submarine and 3 nuclear attack submarines. However, it might take decades by when we could see any of these new submarines in action. And you know pretty well that with the present geopolitical scenario where China is looking to exploit all possible weakness to expand itself to Indo-Pacific region, the Indian Navy cannot take any chance and need to have something in interim as a stopgap arrangement. Now let's talk about what Indian Navy has planned. As you might know that few weeks back, Naval Chief Admiral Karambir Singh made a low-profile 3-day visit to Russia. On July 25th, at St. Petersburg, Navy Chief has attended the 325th anniversary of Russian Navy, but it was just not a visit, but Navy was looking to ink the submarine deal with Russia. The Navy Chief visited Vyzdozhka shipyard in northern Russia and inspected the progress on the refit of an old Russian nuclear submarine. Interestingly, the Vyzdozhka shipyard made a formal offer for the sale of 3 more kilo-class conventional submarines to India at a token price of just ₹1. Yes, this is what I was talking about in the beginning of video. However, in the presentation made to Navy Chief, the Russian side wants India to pay only for the refit cost of submarines, which is approximately $250 million for each submarine. This is not the first time Russia has offered the refit submarine to India. Earlier, India has opted for this acquisition model when it acquired mothballed former Soviet Union aircraft carrier Admiral Gorshkov in 2004. The Russian offer might appear attractive to Indian Navy, whose submarine arm is facing a crisis. Decades of indecisions, red tape bureaucracy, a lack of clear indigenous build program have left Navy critically short of submarines, both conventional and nuclear powered. It has projected a requirement of 18 SSKs and 6 SSNs, but only 14 SSK and no SSNs at present. 3 or more refit submarines might just bridge the gap for this decade. The 3 kilos on the offer are all over 30 years old, are soon to be retired from Russian Navy, but an additional refit can add 10 more years to their hull. Russia has a fleet of 13 more former Soviet-era kilo-class submarines built between 1988 and 1990s, so more hulls could potentially be on offer. Because these submarines belong to a type Indian Navy already operates, the Navy need not to create new infrastructure, devise crew training or acquire new missiles and torpedoes. This is the reason why Russian offer seems lucrative, as it is the fastest way to rapidly fill the gap of declining submarine fleet. Talking about the negative side of the deal is the age of the boats. All submarines offered in this deal are over 30 years old. All the units have passed their technical life of 25 years. Another refit will extend their service life only by 15 years. It could mean diverting money from Navy's already scarce capital acquisition budget. The longer the Navy's program take to deliver submarines, the more attractive the Russian offer will become. However, what do you think about this offer? Should Navy consider the Russian offer or wait for its new submarine under Project 75I and nuclear attack submarine program? Please let us know your opinion about it in the comment section. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We'll be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.